How to lock screen without power button in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option advanced features. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can see the option motion and gestures. Now click on it and here you can see the option double tap to turn off screen. If you turn off this button, then turn it on. Now go back to your home screen and double tap on empty space of your screen to turn off your screen like that. And if you want to use another way, then simply click on settings. Now scroll down and click on accessibility and then click on vision and enhancement. Now go back and click on hearing enhancement and then go back and click on interaction and then click on assistant menu. After turn on assistant menu, then here you can see the square icon of your screen. Now click on this icon and then click on screen off. So this is the way to lock your screen without using power button in Samsung mobile phones. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.